Hi up guys, in this video I will show you how to stream on Discord mobile. Firstly, get up to that application and click on the three dots to choose app what you're gonna get up a server that you wanna stream on it. For example, we'll go with this server, and as you can see down I have the voice channels, and if I type on one of these voice I will go with this one, and as you can see I can get a chance to join voice. I will go join voice, and here meet mobile voice overlay, go for no thanks, and write down. As you can see on the second selection you have the option to get at stream start. Yeah, as you can see mobile screen share is here. Go for try it now and just go for start now, and it will be started right now. Thanks for watching guys. Now you know how to stream on Discord mobile. If you have any questions, please comment down below in the section, and don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.